There we are. These were given to shops in, I'm sure, unless someone can correct me, in Australia. And it's basically a wall clock, but it's for high performance shops at the time, and they're giving these free. But as you can see, it's an amazing piece. I've never had it on the wall, by the way. And at the back, you got the light. There's no light on it though. I don't even know why it says that. Setting the time. But yeah, this is beautiful, isn't it? Let's stick it up on here and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's quite a large clock. So that's it's made out of one plastic